Folding e-bikes are one of the most versatile PEVs that you can buy, and they're the perfect gateway into electric bikes. They don't require a bike rack or a particularly large car to haul around. You can store them in a small area, they're budget friendly, and you still have a large variety of styles and features to choose from when you're shopping around. In a lot of cases, a folding e-bike might be the only e-bike you want or need, so let's look at our favorite ones on the market right now, divided into different categories based on your potential needs. Let's start with the best budget bike. Our favorite under $800 is the Lectric XP LITE 2.0. $700 to $800 is essentially the lowest amount that you can find a quality folding e-bike for, and my favorites at the price all focus on being as simple and straightforward and portable as possible while still sporting 20-inch wheels. The XP LITE, which has been recently updated and refreshed, epitomizes simplicity with a single-speed drivetrain, sub 50-pound weight, compact folding, and solid front fork. Lectric offers a level of quality over the competition, as well as better components with hydraulic disc brakes, fast-running street tires, a quick, powerful motor with over 800 watts of max output, a removable battery, color display, BMX-style handlebars, UL certification, and an IP65 water and dust resistance rating. In my review of this bike, I said that it is the bike that everyone should have, and I stand by that. This is why PEVs were created, to offer a simple, straightforward, high-quality, low-maintenance way to run around the corner to the gas station or to the grocery store or for your commute to work. For the price, it's hard to beat the convenience of the XP LITE, and it's in a form factor that most people already know how to ride, so you can just buy one and pick it up right away. The only downside of this bike, and most bikes in this category, is that larger riders, basically anyone larger than me at 6'1", 200 pounds, will find this bike a bit small. Weight-wise, it has a max rider weight of 275 pounds, so if you're a larger rider and you don't mind the size, then it can still accommodate you. Let's jump to the other side of the size spectrum with our choice for the most comfortable folding e-bike, the Gotrax F3 2.0. If you're okay with a significant jump in weight and what you care about mostly is how the bike feels to ride, then fat tire e-bikes are the way to go, and the F3 is one of, if not the most comfortable fat tire e-bike that I've ridden. Its big 4-inch wide and 4-inch thick tires, 80mm front suspension fork, wide cushion seat, and general wide, solid planted feel make it confidence inspiring and easy to ride even for larger riders. The F3 has also seen a recent refresh with a polished, high-quality feel and new color display, all while coming in under $1,000. The 13.6 amp hour battery is larger than you usually see at the price, and you get an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain, 500-watt rear hub motor, and an unlockable top speed of over 25 miles an hour. Its most premium feature is its torque sensor, which detects how hard you're pedaling and gives you motor power based on that, rather than applying power solely based on what riding mode you're in. This is a feature you typically don't see at this price, and a feature that people who want a more natural riding feel will appreciate. This is the bike to go with if you're the type that likes to go for long rides, as the comfort and extended range is the best at the price. Add on the option to fold it down and you have a fantastic bike for trips, RVing, and camping. Let's move now to the category that people looking to buy a bike for recreational use will probably be the most interested in. My pick for the most fun folding e-bike is the Heybike Mars 2.0. This is the bike that reminds me the most of an electric scooter, with the 1000-watt hub motor outputting a max of 1800 watts, giving it quick acceleration and a top speed of over 30 miles an hour. It also has fat tires and 65mm of suspension to absorb bumps at high speed. The fat, knobby tires make this bike one of the most capable off-road folding bikes. Its other features are pretty standard, but they're good quality with a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, black and white center display, and upgraded hydraulic disc brakes. This is one of the few folding bikes that I've ridden that has blown me away with its performance, and it comes in under $1,200, one of the best deals on the market for a genuinely fast e-bike. There's a slightly cheaper, smaller motor version of the Mars that comes in under $1,000 with a 750-watt motor. That's still more powerful than the average motor you see at the price and would still be a ton of fun if you are stuck on a budget under $1,000. Overall, this is a solid folding bike with impressive performance, and as an added bonus can be grabbed on Amazon. Our next category is one for people who don't have a tight budget and want the most technology-rich folding e-bike on the market. Our pick for high-tech e-bike is the Lectric 1. Lectric really pulled out all the stops for this one with a pinion automatic shifting gearbox, a Gates carbon belt drive, 1300 watts of max power, 14 amp hour battery, a color display, and high-end hydraulic disc brakes, all squeezed into a deceptively light and portable folding package. This is hands down the most intuitive e-bike I've ever ridden, with the automatic shifting a fantastic feature I didn't know I wanted until I tried it. It includes an app that can be used to dial the gear changes based on your preferred riding cadence. I've never had an e-bike feel so much like a regular bike while still being so effortlessly quick. The belt drive means that you don't have to worry about chain maintenance, and no external drivetrain means no needing to tweak your derailleurs or worry about damage to the components while you're hauling it around. Lectric, like usual, has packed all these features into a really polished, high-quality frame and design. The price is also pretty absurd. At $2,200, you almost can't buy the individual components for the price of this complete bike. This is not only one of my favorite folding bikes, but one of my favorite e-bikes ever. If you want a top-of-the-line riding experience, the Lectric 1 is the way to go. Now, this bike does not have a folding point on the frame itself, only the handlebars fold down, so it's not going to be as portable as the other bikes on this list, but the fact that the handlebars fold down does mean that it can be fit in smaller cars because its overall height can be reduced. And now let's move to the category that you're probably most interested in. Our overall pick, best bang for the buck folding e-bike, is the Ride 1 Up Portola. The Portola follows Ride 1 Up's general philosophy of offering more for less, undercutting most of the competition while offering better features and components. You can get the Portola for under $1,000, and at that price you get a more powerful motor than you usually see, better larger brakes than you normally see, longer suspension travel than you usually see, one more gear than you usually get, and higher rack weight capacity than you usually get. Overall, the general look and feel is just a huge step above the random parts bin junk you find on Amazon and all sorts of other websites. From the design, to the welds, to the sleek paint finish, it's just a better bike. Little touches like the operation of the folding handlebars with the extra safety lock, or the locking palm rest grips, or the fact that you can reach both shifter buttons and the brake without moving your hands. This is the kind of stuff that shows that every aspect of the bike was thought about. So, those are our choices this year for electric bikes, but we're also always testing new ones, looking for the best ones on the market. Let us know down below if there's a bike you would like to see reviewed. Check out our full video reviews for each of these bikes down below in the description, and you'll also be able to find links to all these bikes down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.